This is one alert built from 3 different log sources: an endpoint tool, an identity provider, and AWS CloudTrail. On their own, these events might not have stood out. Panther correlated them into a single chain with this detection. The rule fires when credential access on an endpoint is followed by an identity takeover and then destruction in the cloud. That's a ransomware precursor pattern and maps to 3 MITRE tactics. Opening the AI triage, I get a plain summary of what happened and a risk score. This came back risky at 0.99 because all 3 stages are confirmed with direct evidence and there's no benign explanation for the combination. Findings walk the chain in order. On the endpoint, a stager downloads and dumps credentials from LSAS. In Entra ID, the same actor, coming from a Tor exit node, resets another user's MFA and assigns a global admin role to a backdoor account. Then, in CloudTrail, an assumed role suspends versioning on the backup bucket and deletes snapshots, all without MFA. Here's the full chain laid out: endpoint to identity to cloud, reconstructed automatically. No single source told this story. The CloudTrail events on their own just look like an admin cleaning up old backups. It's the correlation on the shared identity and the reasoning on top of it that turns this into one clear evidenced alert.